Foxy Tales.
It's time to take a bath. Let's splash around with bubbles and water. There's fun to be found. Grab your rubber duck, it's time to play. In the tub we'll have a great day. Oh yeah! We'll scrub our hair and wash our toes, sing silly songs while the water flows. With shampoo and soap we'll be squeaky clean in the bath. Our smile